Hello and welcome to the new quote creation tutorial. In the top right corner, go ahead and click New Quote. Next, you will find a product. Select your input voltage, desired output voltage, and the amps needed for your load. Next, our product builder will give you various products to choose from that fit within your range of necessary specs. For this example, we will use the 1LH series. Next, you will be able to go through and select any panel shop options that would be necessary for your product. At the bottom, you will be able to review which product you selected and which panel shop options you have added to your product. Then, we will add to cart. Following that, you will be able to review the full product that we have spec'd out, and we will be able to check out. You will enter in your contact information, billing information, and shipping information. Next, you will enter in your purchase order number. Finally, you will be able to again review your entire order with all details, including product, shipping, purchase, and billing information. Following that, we will go to the purchasing section where you will be able to pay via ACH or purchase order number. You will then upload your PO in PDF form and continue to check out. After checkout, you will be able to check that the order you just put in is now in the open order queue. On the right, you will be able to click and view your quote if you would like to download your quote. You will be able to do that using the right icon.